Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up drive cam so you can save clips like dash cam basically if you want when you're on the road. So the tutorial is coming up. So if you want to be able to save like dash cam clips basically and be able to get them off the actual car, you need a USB-C drive to be able to do that. So here's the one I have. What you want to do first is go ahead and stick it in one of the two slots in your center console. And then we want to go to the actual UI here. So you want to go to gear guard here. If it's not here on the right, you can swipe up and then you'll see it right here. So hit gear guard. And then what we want to do is we want to set up, so if you go to the second box here, you want to do set up drive cam. So hit that. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to format the drive since I literally just bought it. So let's hit format drive. All files will be erased. That's fine because there's nothing on it. Format drive. So it knows that it's in the car and it's formatting it. So let's just wait. Okay, so now it is done, and so it says tap here to save clips. So honking the horn or activating SOS will also save drive cam clips. So I think for me, normally I would just tap it and save it because it's just the easiest way to do it. So this camera is rolling. You can start capturing clips and watch later in drive cam. So done. So that's basically it. So now if you want to save, you just hit that, and it looks like it's recording right now. So I wonder if I hit it again. There you go. So now it's saved. So if we go to, let's see if we can see it. So if we go to the playback button here, you've got incidents, which are basically like if something happens and you slam on your brakes, it'll come here. But basically, and then motion cam is obviously like Sentry mode for Tesla, where basically if you have it on, people are walking around your car, those will show up here. And then drive cam is the other one, what we want to do. So, so you can see it here. We hit that and then you can see it play. And so obviously nothing, because it's just my garage, but that's what it looks like. And then you can just save clips whenever you want. So this is, useful if you're on the road and someone cuts you off or something like that. Or, more importantly, if there's like an accident or something, you can save that. And then you've got that backup for insurance and things like that. So that's basically it. That's how you do it. That was super simple. And now I can just save whenever I want. So hope that tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching.